Ekigambo nyina mwiru nikimanyisa ki? Nikimanyisa mother of the slave. Omururimi orutoro kimanyisa nyina mwiru. Kandi omuchwezi owabire namanywanka isimbwa akeiza yakunda omwana ow'omukama ogu, kandi omwana ogu akaba arikwenda kwitwa konka akabasa kusherekwa, kandi ekyo akija arikwenda kukikora nka revenge.
Underground Zif akaba nagenda kuhiga, then yayesanga mu bukama bwa bukuku, kandi obwo bukama bukaba buli bwese arwabuzire underground. So yakwa revenge. Mukwa revenge akwa revenge embi muno yagenda he actually made love with the princess ya Mtweka. Mtweka is impregnating. Yeah, the princess became pregnant in a couple of 3 months. Yazara, uwe waika yazara, but omukama akabatamanyire ngo omwana inenda kicho byazaire. So byazaire omwana akaba nasemero kwitwa. Thank God, people who were supposed to kill the baby betrayed the king. Instead of killing the baby, they dumped the baby on the banks of the river and went back and lied to the king that they had killed the baby. Yeah? So mwana nuhu yakomirwe Rubumbi. Rubumbi was actually not even a Mchwezi, he was a Mutembuzi. But Tembuzi were the founders of Bunyoro the Greater, Bunyoro the Giant, or the mighty Bunyoro.
Amabeere ga nyina mwiru omu mwanya ogugarimu gagabanisibwemu omu myanya eshatu. Ejo nizo caves omu ruzungu. Caves ezi zona noba oyine okuzirambura ahabw'okuba tegarukushana omu bahangwa bwabo. Harimu ago agarukushana ag'abantu, haireho agandi agarukushana ag'embwa, kandi hariho n'agandi agarukushana ag'ente. Nekigambwa ngu nigoreka ekyabiire kiba omu maka g'abantu ngu haireho abantu hiine kuba harimu ente hamwe na n'embwa omu famire yawe. Kandi omwanya ogu hakaba hariho omwanya ogwabiire gumanywa nka parliament, aho abachwezi babiire bashutama bakatwara omu maisho ebyenkiiko byabo, kandi nagwo gurimu amabeere. Kabarore erimu ebyoburambuzi bingi munonga buzima wagitahamu okagireba. Omwanya ogu ogwa Kabarore gutwire nigumanywa munonga nk'ekyoburambuzi ahabwa amabeere aga. Kandi waba oli omu caves ezi ningashi omu mabeere aga, tuwa guide ningashi ogwe arukwera okubasa kurambura omwanya ogu tarukwikiriza kukwata ahibeere na n'engaro zawe ahabw'enshonga nagira ngu oburofa hamwe na n'etutu erikuba eri omu ngaro neteganisa okukura okwibeere hamwe na n'okurihindura erangi yaryo. Buzimazima waba oli omu mabeere aga noba otarikwenda orugeyo tahi. Okwa twaba turi omu mwanya ogu bakweta ngu n'omu mabeere ga nyina mwiru. Niyo shaha ey'okustepinga out tukatemba tukarugayo. Waba notahamu notahiramu side eyakuriya aho twakwereka, kandi aha niho barikuba nibashohorera. Waba noruga omu mwanya ogu abakwa twareba n'ebicweka bishatu eby'omwanya ogu ogw'amabeere ga nyina mwiru. Nk'oku wareba omwanya ogu kuguri notugendera omu bishaka, nitugendera omu caves, tugendera omu mina, konka nko guri no akuba nico bagwetera ogwo burambuzi. Hata aho turi obu n'obushohorero obwo turiyo ntushohora ntutaha, konka okuraba aha bangira ngo namino ga ruguru notemba ibara harindi nokwata n'omwitaka nobyama notekwa ku making sure ngu watambura no kuwahashanga kandi wabasa kurugayo. Kandi ngufama nkore ebintu aha omu mabeere twarugayo twataha apa mpora omurumo gwaba gutanguhi kubasa kurambura echa omwanya ogu. Ibrahimu mubiru ari ya kamera nawe nindeba na strugglinga kuraba hunaraba, konka twaba turambura amabeere ga nyina mwiru kunuya omu Fort Potro. Abantu abingi abatwire mwine ekiteekateko cyo kureba omwanya ogu na no kumanya ebirukorwayo ningira wahurira barukushoborera. So ntuba tutambura omu byanga bitali bimwe na bimwe yatoba turiyo muri Fort Potro kandi omu district ya Kabarore turukureba amabeere ga nyina mwiru. Abatuye no mugahurira ebyavayo byago byona mwabihurira mwiru akaba ariyoha nyina mwiru akariyoha na nebindi bingi, konka kiriyo turambura omucyanga eki kubasa kureba ebyoburambuze bindi ebirumu. Ohiroho amabeere hariho enyanja eyorukwetaga okurebaho yihi n'omwanya ogu. otakarukiremu erikumanywa nka ekigere kya nyina mwiru.
Natives bakagamba ngu nyina mwiru obe yali nayegoromora. Kwegoromora I think is to migrate from one place to another. This is where nyina mwiru stepped. Akarubataho hajaho ekiina, then haijamu amaizi gakola enyanja. But kandi on the other hand ebitabo ebindi nibitugambira ngu nyina mwiru akaina enguli za granary. Ati enguli egyo kava yaye kaba kanetonya. So yali netonya nyina mwiru yagenze kukebera oburobwe. Esanga enguli kava y'enguli nibagyeta esuuku mu Lutoro. Ngu esuuku ekaba netonya asanga ngu amaizi gakoze eki gagwire mu nguli. Hati ngu nekiniga ekingi muno akahimba esuuku yaginaga kuli side za kuli, then nekiniga ekyamaani yalota hanu akolwaho ki enyanja. But scientifically things are very different. It is a crater lake. Its name is Kigere kya nyina mwiru crater lake. Kigere kya nyina mwiru is a volcanic lake. It came about as a result of volcanic eruption. Yeah. Kigere has no inlet and no outlet. That's why its water doesn't move.
Ekyanga eki abarambuzi baba bizire okurambura nibaba nibetaaga okuhumura kandi tushangire ngu omu rubaju orwetaho neegi eya Fort Portal aha kashozi mucwa hariho ehoteri nyamurungi erikumanywa nka Kalya Courts.
Kalya Courts is a good hotel, and this hotel has been here for a period of 5 years. And the services we offer, we have accommodation, have conference facilities, we have bar and restaurant, we have gardens for hire if you're having any function, birthday parties, wedding parties, and all sorts of parties, whatever you want to organize. Kalya Courts give you the best view. We have gardens, nice gardens. We have nice rooms. If you happen to come here, you will enjoy the goodness. You will enjoy the best in this region. We really provide all sorts of drinks. We have bar where you will get a drink of your choice. You will get all your tastes of food in our kitchen. We have an open kitchen where you can see your food being prepared. That's another thing to enjoy here at Kalya Courts. Accommodation, we have good rooms, self-contained. We have television sets. You don't need to walk. We have intercoms where you call directly when you need any service in the kitchen, in the restaurant, front desk. You can call. Immediately you get your service the way you need it. If you need food, you order directly in the kitchen. I need ABCD, you'll get it. Kalya Courts is the best in this region in such a way that its location itself so unique. It is quiet. It is away from town. You will not hear the noise of vehicles, industries, whatever. You enjoy the quietness. If you're having your activity going on, no interruptions. So that's how Kalya Courts unique it is. Yeah. As I told you before, when you are coming to Kalya Courts, when you reach the city center, the town center, you take Accessor Road. It is 1.5 kilometers to reach here from the town center. So you take the Kasese Road, you branch off at Maguru Muchwa Road, you proceed 2 meters, then again on your left, you take Maguru Itara Road. The signposts are there, and you will have reached Career Courts.
Kuwa kuba norambura ebyafaayo ebiri mu district egi okenda aho kuhumurira nobasa kwekera akashozi muchwa oyetungira obugwaje omu town eya Fort Portal.
Turi mu mwanya ogwa Fort Portal obo turi kugenda niturambura ebyanga eminane mirimo erukorwa omucyanga eki twabasana no kutwara aha hotel ejibanja bageta Career Courts. Nemwa hotels ezomurembe munonga kugira nkuwa kwanoruga omu mwanya ogundi districts eziriyo kwa heru no mwanya ogosemerire kubasa kwija okararamu okabasa kufuniramu obusinje buri kimwe cyona kiryaha kandi accommodation neyo murembe conference hall kuba no leba side egi batugira ngo waboine abantu batari kurenga 200 nombasa kora hinchiko zanyu nombasa koraho za workshops na nebindi kandi twalebe side ntuleba restaurant yo murembe munonga aha Career Courts ejo restaurant buri cyo kuriya cyone cyo rukwenda wiza on time no basa kubukinga manager nko kuyakugambira no bwakubori kuno mulimbarira no bwakubori bushenyi Kasese na handi no basa kubukinga aha no shanga icyo kuriya cyawe cyahire bine side area ejo ni side eyebara in case kuwa kubano wenda kugira kuwanywa ohumwireho ebareho twareba rooms ezomurembe ahali Career Courts hano mu rembo orwa Fort Portal nikimanyisa ki kuwa kubori yo mwanya gundu gona obase kwiza kuno mu Fort Portal oizo mwanya go humure twareba garden zomurembe aho kubasa kora buri kikakembaga cyona kandi otine kuteganisibwa security erioke cyari omu Fort Portal kandi tugenda tureba business nana ebintu ebirukorwa omu mwanya ogu omu program ekyanga kyawe.